Gates open, that up and racing, new chapter. Perfect pass, moving up by Reldan comes Senor Elijah. Moving up, Shirley's World, Speedy Kim, Smart. Alec, moving up on the outside through Amigo, while Basta is running at the tail of the field as they rounded the last 450. Perfect pass running by Darrell. New chapter is on the outside. Closing in third, Shirley's World. Smart Alec moving up on the outside through Amigo and by Darrell. Basta together with Senor Elijah. With the last 150 more to run. Perfect pass leading the field. Running on the outside is Smart Alec. New chapter, Shirley's World. But perfect pass by about 2 lengths, Smart Alec. And finally, perfect pass is Smart Alec. Basta. Shirley's World close between Speedy Kim through Amigo for your Pentafecta.